PH Vlog.
Electric fan. I buy this electric fan wheels. I do unboxing. The two electric fan. I do assemble this 1 liter service and this is two. One for Sophia and one for me. Okay, I do assemble this wheels later and I show you. Okay, mag-assemble tayo ng dalawang electric fan. And thank you to my sponsor. Let's do it. This is the fan. That is the screw. Ang taba ng kamay ko. The EDC. Ito, ano natin siya guys, tanggalin natin yung kanyang tawag dito bolt. Ayan, bali apat ito siya. Ito yung magsisilbing lock dun sa itatayo nating tatayo nating electric fan. Dahil walang gumagawa, ako yung gagawa nito guys. See? Only me. Only me. Dahil wala akong pwedeng mautusan, kundi sarili ko. Ayan. Gagawin natin, ipapasok natin yan dito. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Ay! Ayan o, pasok na siya guys. At ilalagay po natin para mailak siya. So, dapat pala mayroon tayong tornilyo. Ayan ba yan? Meron tayo dapat ibabalik na naman natin yung bolt dito para malaki. Ayan na siya guys at nakatayo na yung ating stand. At ilalagay na po natin itong makina. Ayan po guys yung kanyang makina. So ang gawin natin, so paano siya papasok? Hindi ko alam kung paano siya ipapasok guys. Ayan pala siya guys. Tapos ilalak natin pala yan. Meron pala siya extension. Ayan yung extension. Ayan. So ang problema ko lang ngayon, dapat pala ito kailangan masikip pala ito para hindi siya mahulog. Check natin ilalim. Dapat pala natin ilalak natin siya ng maayos doon sa pinaka-stand. Hindi pala siya iangat. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita na pwede pala siya iangat ito. Wala akong ako lang mag-isa, diba? Paalam ko siyang paano siya i-assemble. I know how to assemble this electric fan. And thank you. No one can help me but my own way how to fix things and assemble. Oh my goodness. I have no screwdriver. This is the one, but this is so old. So I need to screw it up. See? So cannot remove it. Remove. Okay. That's it. And I put this. I put like this. Okay. You need to lose this so you can put it properly. That's one. You need to fix it properly so cannot remove by self. So this is to adjust. You can lower or upper. So I need to lower, and you need to lock it. This one you need to lock. You need to fix like that. You tight it. Okay. So tight it. And next, can you see? Okay. So this is the the part of LC. The same LC. Need to lose and this one guys, need to lose, you see, and put it properly. Oh, this is the thing, this is the one pala first, this one, and next. Okay, you need to tight it properly. So already tight it. And this one, you put this one. And like that. Oh, I forgot something. Oh my goodness. I forgot pala. Okay. I forgot. Okay, I need to lose it again because you need to put this one. I forgot the screen. This one. I forgot. You need to put this one. So, lagay mo natin dito. Pasensya na guys, minsan nag-i-English ako kasi meron tayong mga viewers from other countries. So, I need to use English sometimes. I'm not good in English, but I fix it properly. Okay. This one. Need to tight it. Oh my goodness, sorry guys for the dog. Okay, pagpatuloy natin kasi yung aso ko kumakahol sa labas. So this one, oh my goodness, you put this one. Oh my goodness, clockwise. Already, you need to tight it. And charan! And the cover. Yeah. And you lock it. So we try it. Okay, that's it. Okay, we try it. And this one, the B plug it guys. This is eye extension. And oh my goodness. Oh, see? I have na electric fan. I have an electric fan. Oh, so cool. So nice. That's it. The first one. It's okay na. Okay. Here we have the second set of electric fan. This is the very easy because this is a stand fan. Desk fan. Okay. Oh, it's so easy. You need to put it like that and that's it. It's the same for the stand fan. The same for the stand fan, but this is the desk fan. This is for Sophia. This is Sophia, and the stand fan for me, and this one for the desk fan for Sophia and Lee. my hand is so big. Oh my goodness. This is the that's it. Okay, that's it. And I put this one. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Service. Service is the one who sponsored this electric fan. Thank you for always there, Service. For how many years I got a new electric fan? Oh my goodness. No. So I got now a new electric fan. Many years I don't have electric fan, but now I have na. Oh my goodness. Okay, we try it. I cannot show up myself because my face is gonna not good. Okay. Oh my goodness. That's it now. Oh. The 2 electric fan. Yeah. See? Ah, thank you so much. I have electric fan na. Thank you. Ayan na. Thank you, thank you.